Imagine this. You have no technology, no laboratory, no test kits. Only the wisdom of the earth, the patience of seeds, and the silent language of nature. Now, let me take you back nearly 4,000 years to the scorching sands of ancient Egypt. Women were trying to solve a powerful mystery. Am I carrying a new life? But the way they searched for the answer was truly extraordinary. They would take 2 sacks, one filled with barley, the other with wheat, and into those sacks they would urinate. Then they waited for days. If either sack began to sprout, yes, you heard that right, if the seeds started growing, it meant the woman was pregnant. But here's the fascinating part. If the barley sprouted first, it meant the baby was a boy. If the wheat sprouted first, the baby was a girl. From today's point of view, this might sound ridiculous, but hold on a second. In the 1930s, a scientific study showed this method was about 70% accurate. Why? Because the urine of a pregnant woman contains estrogen, a hormone that speeds up the germination of seeds. So, thousands of years ago, these women were unknowingly observing a biological truth, something modern medicine hadn't yet discovered. This wasn't just a test. It was intuition, observation, a deep connection with nature. Today, we put our trust in technology. But sometimes, behind what seems like primitive methods, lies a natural wisdom that speaks louder than science. Maybe they weren't doing science as we define it, but perhaps they knew how to listen to life itself. So I ask you, can today's technology truly surpass the ancient wisdom of nature?